Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. How's everybody doing? It's lunchtime and I'm going to be using the Mission low carb tortillas, only 4 net carbs. I'm going to make quick little pizzas for lunch. I'm going to put my tortillas on a baking pan that I have lined with parchment paper. Making 2 for my son, 1 for me. And normally whenever we make pizza, we use red sauce. Well, today we're doing something a little different. We're doing Alfredo sauce. So I'm taking a spoonful of the Alfredo. He likes his a little bit thicker than what I like mine, sauce-wise. My oven's hot. So I'm just spreading it on here. He's an easy peasy plain Jane type of person when it comes to these type pizzas. So I have Alfredo sauce, mozzarella cheese. You can't get much easier than that. I'm just sprinkling this on there. Now let me get mine ready. I'm doing mine just a little bit different. I am putting banana peppers on mine. I normally put pepperoni on there, but guess who hasn't gone grocery shopping? That would be me. So I threw several peppers on there. Now I'm going to do the same thing, just throw a handful of cheese. A little bit more, I like it cheesy. If it overflows, I'll pull it off the parchment paper because burnt cheese is good to me. Okay, I'm going to put them in a preheated oven on 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Oh man, that looks so good. Each of these little pizzas only has 6 net carbs. The tortilla has 4, the cheese has 1, and also the Alfredo sauce. It's nice and crunchy. Haha! So, there you go. This is fast food homestead style. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Enjoy your lunch, and see you on the next video.